Everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Jyoti HR, Department of ECE, RLJ IT. So today I am going to explain Microcontroller 8051 Keil µVision software. So this is the version 5, Keil version 5. This is freely downloaded from Google. So we can download and install free version of students. So this is the main window of software. Double click on Keil µVision software, we will get this window. So here mainly we use the file, project, peripherals, and we need view to select the windows. So first step is go to project. We need to create the project. So new µVision project. So here first we need to create the folder. Already I have created the MC project folder. Inside the project folder we need to give file name. So first program I am doing. So give the file name, the project transfer. The file name is transfer of bytes. Transfer program. This is my file name. Save the file name. So here we need to select the CPU. So the CPU is P89V51RD2. So this is the Keil µVision software having 40 MHz 5V 8051 microcontroller with 32 IO lines, and these are the features. So select this one, click OK. So here copy startup file, it is showing we don't want this one, so give no. So we have created the target. Next step is go to file, select new. So here we need to type the program. So this is the program. I am copy pasting program. So you need to type this program. So we have this program. So no need of comments. I am deleting this. So this is the program I have written. So next step is save the program. So we need to save program. So this is the program, the transfer .asm. So this is assembly language program. So we need to save .asm extension. Save the program. So my program is saved. Let's change the colors. So next step is once you save the program, go to target. In this target we will get source group. So right click on the target, options for target 1. So here we need to change the frequency. So this is 11.59. So change the frequency 11.59 MHz and click on this output. We need to check the checkbox, create hex file. Then click on OK. So target is created, then go to source group. So here we need to add our program to this source group. Right click on the source group, select add existing file to group. So in this is my folder. Inside the folder I have my program transfer.asm. Add, then close. See, click on this. This is my program transfer.asm. This program is added to source group. So here we need to build target. So this is build target. Click on build target. We need to check the errors. So I got 0 errors and 0 warnings. So next step is we need to debug the program. Go to debug, start or stop debug. Click on OK. So next I need to check the output. So go to view. In this program I am using two memory locations, 20H and 40H. So I need to select memories. So view in that memory windows, select memory 1. So the address is D:20H. So enter. I'm giving data, you give any data, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So this is the data. Here I have given the size of data is 5H, 05H. So I am giving only 5 values. Then select memory 2. We need to transfer from one memory to another memory. Select memory 2. This is the address of 40H. Give D:40H. Enter. So memory 1 having the data 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. We need to transfer this data to the location memory to 40H. So then give run. So we have this shortcut run, or else we can give from debug. So here we will get the run button. So click on run. I got the output. See, same data is coming in memory 1 and memory 2. The data from memory 1 is transferred to memory 2. So these are the steps how microcontroller Keil will work. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you for your valuable time. Please like my video, share and subscribe to my channel.